Nata de Coconut Drink pouch packaging machinery is manufactured by Shanghai Fubo Machine Company. Vertical form fill seal packing machine consists of main packing machine, film input device, die printing, bag forming, sealing and cutting device, touch screen, and other device. Machines are controlled by PLC system. The packaging process is complete and smooth, which can ensure the efficiency of bag making, the precise control of packaging weight, and reduce work errors. This packing machine is made of stainless steel as a whole, with a simple and beautiful structure and easy cleaning. The part in contact with the material is made of food-grade stainless steel to ensure the safety and hygiene of the material during the packaging process.